This is the first phase with the flowers. And then we do the building. And then you go on to the flowers that love the cool weather.
Yes, no one had in regards to
I want to highlight these two very individuals, these two, and especially Elise Lanier, for just offering her talent, her love, and dedication to this city, again to the city of Houston. It's a great day to be in front of City Hall today, the People's House, and this is the People's House, with my friends and one of Houston's favorite people, former First Lady Elise Lanier. Elise and I first met many years ago. And over the years, the mutual respect and admiration has just grown and grown and grown. And during her time as Houston's First Lady, during her husband, Bob Lanier, who was an architect, designer, builder for this city, Mayor Bob Lanier's administration, Elise had an office right next to her husband at City Hall and personally led a city beautification campaign. But even during those days, it went beyond just beautification. She really gave a voice and leadership and lent her talent to the city as a whole. And I want to thank her for that. It wasn't just about flowers and trees. It was also about restoring pride in our city and the People's House, City Hall. And ever since I've known her, there was no question in my mind that she and Bob literally loved this city.
I am passionate about this. It's an honor to be working with Mayor Turner. He gets it, he understands it. He understands what it means to restore the People's Building, the People's House, to 1939. Now, that was before all of us. And this is what I think inspires people so much. You know, Lady Bird Johnson was about the environment. And I feel so much like this is part of the environment. Yes, we love our flowers. Yes, we love our gorgeous oak trees. Yes, the building is a magnificent Art Deco building that needs power washing, along with fixing lots of spots on it. But all of this inspires people to feel better, to work harder, their self-esteem about where they are and where they live.